This is the unboxing and review for the Sunbeam mini travel iron. It comes in this small box. In the box we have a small travel bag. We also have a manual and the cord is very long. I'm going to be measuring that. Look at how cute this iron is. It fits right in the palm of my hand. Let me measure it from front to back. The iron plate is 4 7/8 inches. And the widest part in the back is 3 1/8 inches. So this is a steam iron and this is where we'll place our water, and it holds exactly half a cup of water. So let me go ahead and measure our cord, and it measures approximately 95 inches. That's very long. So this iron is very basic. We only have a couple buttons. Of course it's for travel. So we have this button for the steam, and this button is for minimum and maximum, and it shows you where to place it when you're steaming, and it comes with a regular standard plug. All right, so let me test it out and see how well it works. And this is cotton polyester. So I have it on high and I'm just trying to make a seam and see how well it works. And it works pretty good. It works very well for a small iron. Of course, it's doing the same job, I think, as a large iron, but basically it will take you a longer time to do it because the plate is so small. Now this is satin. So I turn it down a little bit, and as you can see, it's performing. So overall, I like the iron. It's just tiny. It fits comfortably in my hand, but it's a travel iron. It takes up very little space in your travel bag, and you can put it in your carry-on luggage, and it works. Just remember to empty the water before you store it, and only add water when it's on the steam setting.